great prompt is the difference between this and this. Let's go to ai.studio/build. This is our vibe coding product, and it's a great place to build your first app by just describing it. I think some things people miss when they're prompting for the first time is how much you can actually guide the model. If I was to type an open-ended prompt like, make me a racing game, here's what I would get. But now let's actually add that specificity. I'm not just saying, hey, make me a racing game. I'm actually saying in a bullet list where there's a small car, a blue color car, I want a round track where you can go all the way around and there's a finish line. I want a boost there that I can pick up. By specifying these things, I'm getting closer to an output that I want and that I expect. Sometimes it's worth knowing which keywords actually will trigger the model into building the thing in the best possible way. If you're making a video game and you want it to be 3D, you should probably use the word 3JS in your prompt. 3JS is a popular 3D game library, and the models really know how to work well with it. And you may be wondering, well, I don't want to have to keep scouring these videos to find the right keywords to say. And I think my pro tip for that is go talk to the model and say, what are the best web technologies to make 3D games? And it'll tell you 3JS is one of those things that you can use. So here's what it looks like with a more specific prompt. You can see it now has the blue car. We've got a boost that you can pick up and move with the car. The track is kind of what we were asking for. So we've gotten a lot closer to the output we were intending. I think another tip that I love giving people is you'll be surprised by how far an image reference can go. If you upload an image alongside your prompt, you can actually guide it visually in a way where it's the picture you're probably seeing in your head that you want to give the model. And I say, hey, look at the screenshot. Here's a specific detail that I really like from it, and make sure you bring that to our app. And the other thing is, don't settle for just the first prompt that still might have gotten you to that first output, but part of vibe coding is, well, doing the vibe check of the thing you've built, right? So if I'm playing this game and I realize maybe I want the car to handle a little differently on the road, or I want the boost to be even faster, right? I can actually go and play the game and then just go back to the prompt box and iterate on those very specific things, right? So I can then go and say, hey, I like the boost, but I wish it was even faster or lasted a little longer for my car. And then it's just a bit of back and forth with the model till you get to a game that's feeling just right and exactly like your vision. So that's how I add more specificity to my prompts to get the output I'm looking for. Also in AI Studio is our app gallery. It is packed with templates and examples of vibe-coded apps that you can remix and make your own. It's an amazing place for inspiration and to see what's possible with our models. We can't wait to see you try these tips out for yourself and tell us what you're going to make in the comments.